chest hotter than your Gucci belt. Can't believe that I fell for the lies that you tell. I must be unwell.
I just don't even care anymore.